Hey people, this is just a short video of my Scania truck, which I've been obviously seen from other videos is coming along. I've doing some restoration to it. I've got some updates I'm doing to it at the moment, so it'll involve bodywork change, LED light change, and so on. So I'll just run and recap what I'm going to be doing to it. Obviously these homemade LED spots will be replaced with proper LED lighting system, so they will be gone and something else will be in its place. The cab has already been pre-primed, ready for its colour coat. You can see cab headlamp gone. I have actually got off internet a complete brand new headlamp unit to fit on, which is quite good. Has several changes to the lighting sequences, so which will be amber, so that will be that. So that'll be that one sorted for it. Few extra lighting I've put on. As you can see, all the wiring going into the side boxes. Those are all new multi-function lights. Still have the indicator, brake lights, headlight systems, and the sound unit in it. So that's all still the same. There's the balsa trailer with a new balsa lining. Oh, and before we go, I've got one addition to add to my lorry. Those box bits are going to be removed, and those are going in its place. I've got two made, and what's going to happen is they're going to be side mounted onto the chassis wall, and all electronics and components will be installed in there, and it's going to be painted up chrome like a fuel tanks. So you've got twin fuel tanks. It's a bit like dummy tanks in a way. So they'll be going in that. I've got detailed bits on the cab as well. Before we go, I'll give you this one other model to show. This is my latest truck. Have a guess what you think it could be. At the moment, the wiring is just about done. But it's meant to be an American truck with an extended chassis. Has fully working brakes, headlights, and indicators on it. Here are the two axles. That's the better one. They're the two drive axles, fully working drive axles with TTO1 differentials inside. I have tested them and they are working fully, so they'll be installed on there. So they'll be there. But once I've done the Scania and finished it fully, that will be in its place. The next project. And I've got the exhaust stacks, twin aluminium exhaust stacks, homemade. And then you can see the wiring. There's all the wire and bits of hardware which are inside, and the drivetrain bits for the truck when it work on it. Hopefully I'll get that one completed, then I'll start this one. Okay, so I'll leave it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry I waffled on a bit too much, but I thought I haven't done a video in a long time, and I thought it might be worth giving an update of what's going on. Alright, catch you lot later. Subscribe to my videos and you get to see more. Alright, ta-dio.